Charleston, South Carolina. What began as a routine response to a reported altercation quickly escalated into a deadly encounter. On November 21st, 2024, police arrived to find two men in a heated dispute, one reportedly armed. Moments later, 37-year-old Andrew Williams drew a handgun, prompting officers to open fire. Despite immediate medical aid, Williams was pronounced dead at the hospital. Now, months later, the department confirms no charges will be filed against the officers involved.
We ain't doing dumb shit. 653 King Street, please.
Okay, give me one moment to pull that up. All right, and tell me exactly what happened.
My two sons around here fighting. One of them got a gun. Will you please say something right around here quick?
My partners are getting help on the way while we're speaking. All right, and then if you could just repeat that address for me, just for verification.
653 King Street.
Thank you.
Recording.
Get your hand out of your pocket now. Get your gun now. Hey, put the gun down. Hey, it's right on his right hand. His right hand. His right hand. Hey, back up, back up, back up. It's right on his right hand. Hey, back up, back up. Don't touch the gun. Here, let's go hands. Let's go hands. Let's go hands. Let's go hands. Here, you get it. It's right by the right hand. Hey, don't touch the gun. Let's go, cuss. Attack 4, dispatch. Start a team mask when shots fired. Just leave it there. Hey, where are you shot?
Where you shot? Man?
Roll him over, roll him over. Hey, it's gonna be right in the chest. Hey, go grab your, grab your trauma kit. Grab chest seals.
Chest seal. I'll be right back. Blue shot away. Suspect is down. Gunshot wound to the chest.
Hey, show me.
Hey, take your hands. Show me your hands. Hey, show me your hands. Hey, show me your hands. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket. Hey, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Please don't move. Drop the gun. Please don't move. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Hey, back up. Back up. Hey, please drop the gun. Please drop the gun. I got hands.
Right by the right hand. Hey, don't touch the gun. Let's go, cuss. Yep. Attack 4, dispatch. Start a team mask when shots fired. Just leave it there. Hey, where are you shot?
Where you shot, man?
Roll him over. Hey,
Yeah, blue shot away. Hey, get a chest seal.
Chest seal.
Yep, chest seal. I'll be right back.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, hit that like button, subscribe for more law enforcement breakdowns, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe and stay aware.